Hello, this is Sirishandana. Now we are trying to execute the JS07 file, which is assignment 7 of our front end. Let's start with execution. To do that, first we need to launch VS Code. Now we need to open the folder where our files are stored. Here we need to execute assignment 7 HTML file and chapter HTML file. Let's start with executing assignment 7 HTML file. Let's check with the errors first. Well, there are no errors except favicon. Let's start with execution. Here, the assignment 7 is about the details of name and email. When we try to give one word and try to add, it will give the error as name should be at least 2 characters long. Even if we try to add without giving any details, it should be validate like this. Now we try to add, it says email should include at the rate. So if you try to give without at the rate, it always validate it. If we add with correct details, it says the prompt like added with name and email. Whenever we want, we can remove the elements from anywhere. Whenever we don't want that, we can remove it. Let's start with execution of search. If we give nothing in the search and try to search, then it will validate no such key provided. If we try to search the word where it is not in the list, then it will provide the name is not found. Even same with the email, it says not found. Let's try to give the elements. Now we entering details like this. Then well, so these are the details we have. Let's give one detail, which is U1. Then try to search. Then it will give the detail as U1 name with corresponding email. If you try to give is not in the list, then it will give an error like U2 not found. Then if you give the name with the repeating elements, then it will print all the corresponding email IDs. Same with the email. If you try to give the same email ID, then it will identify the names corresponding to it. This is about assignment 7. Now let's start with executing JS7 HTML file. Let's check with the errors first. Well, there are no errors except favicon. Let's try to execute. It's about the word cloud, which is it will tell the number of words are repeated in some HTML file, like in any text document. Let's start with executing. Well, here the number of repetitive will be in a big word. If less numbers are in the small word, let's try with another file. Well, this is it. The repetition are like this. And if we try to give any file, JPG or like that, it says the text file, it is not a text file. This is about assignment 7. Thank you.